Now that you've managed to connect to the Linux lab machines, let's go over some basic navigation for the terminal. When you first connect, you will be in your home directory. Type the command ls to list the contents of your home directory. If this is your first time logging into a machine, then it might not show anything. Let's start by making a directory. To make a directory, type mkdir, then the directory name. Let's make one called test. mkdir test. Type ls again and you should see the directory test that we just made. Now let's navigate into that directory. To change the current directory that we're in, we use the command cd. Type cd, then test to enter our newly created directory. To see the complete directory path of where we are, we can use the command pwd. If I type in pwd, I can see that I am in /home/s.t.fleming/test. Let's navigate back to our home directory. To go up a directory, we can type cd .. Now let me type pwd again, and now we can see that I am in /home/s.t.fleming. Great. Now let's examine how to create and manipulate text files from the terminal. Let's go back into our test directory. Now here we're going to create a file called hello.txt and put some text in it. Type vim hello.txt. Vim is a handy terminal editor that is everywhere, so it's a really useful thing to learn when you're remote connecting into machines. You've probably noticed me using it during the lectures. With Vim there are a few different modes. We'll focus on just two for this video, the command mode and the insert mode. The command mode is used to input commands and navigate the document, as the insert mode is used for inserting text. By default, when Vim opens, it opens into the command mode, not the insert mode. Okay, let's write some text. First thing we need to do is enter the insert mode. To enter the insert mode from the command mode, press I. You'll notice that down at the bottom of your terminal, insert will have appeared. Now you can enter some text. I'm going to write hello. Okay, great, let's save this. To save it, we need to enter command mode. In order to get into command mode from insert mode, hit the escape key. You'll notice that the insert at the bottom of the screen has now disappeared. Now let's enter the save command. To save, type : and then W. You should see this appear in the command prompt at the bottom of the terminal. Then hit enter. It should say that the file was written. Great. Now to exit, type : Q, and then enter. This should exit Vim. Just to quickly recap, let's open our file, add the word world, save it, and close the file. Vim hello.txt to open the file, I to enter insert mode, type in world, escape to exit insert mode, : W to save, : Q to quit. Now, let's delete all the lovely stuff that we just made. Type cd .. to go back to our home directory. Then ls and we should see the test directory. To remove the test directory, we can type rm-r test. The -r means that we will recursively go down through all the directories, removing everything. If we wanted to remove just a single file, we could just write rm. Now type ls again, and you can see that our test folder is no longer there. Okay, great. Now there's a whole lot more to Vim and manipulating files from the command line, but hopefully that will be enough to get you going for the labs. In the lab videos, I'll try to show you how to use the basic Verilator setup for simulating your hardware.